Alright, YouTubers, I am back again. It is Tuesday, March 13th. We have another Amazon unboxing to do. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody's safe. Made it through. Boom. This is coming from, we shall see where, Loaf Tech, I do believe. Let's see what they sent us. And you guys will get one at a low cost. Click on the links down below. Here we go. What do we have here? What is this? Alright, no invoice. But all the descriptions and everything will be down below. Here we go. Tech. Interesting. Box inside of a box. Let's see what's inside this box. Tilt you guys down. Boom. There we go. And we have here. Uh-oh. I think it's from Shopere. I do believe, if I'm not mistaken. This is a Loaf Tech. Alright. We got a globe. Some kind of type of globe. There we go. I think it's color changing action going on here. So let me go. Boom, it's like a crystal ball. Tech. Really nice. And this is also what it comes with. There we guys down. There we go. Nice little round globe. Go. Comes with a remote control, changes colors, the adapter. I'm going to plug this thing in. We're about to test it out. Exciting stuff right here. Pretty cool for your kids' room, parties, man cave, woman cave. Easy plug-in. I hope. Yep, just got to remove this yellow tab. Come on. There we go. Like I said, pretty simple. There's a yellow tab you had to remove for the outlet right there. And let me plug this in by my computer. Give me 1 sec. Really cool. Alright. Plug it in. Plug it in. Alright, let's see how this thing works. I'm going to have to shut the lights off. There it is. Alright, here is the globe. Oh, I gotta remove that. Uh-oh. Hold on 1 sec. Alright, here we go. There's a little button you had to push on the bottom to get it going. And then, so it's kind of like a mood lighting to relax. Yellow, blue, green. And more. I think that's about it. Oh. There's a flash. So this would be like for the summertime outside by your pool parties. A lot of things. Barbecuing. At the beach. Solid color. Go with the blue. Probably look the best, I think. Kinda. Flash. So really cool. Like I said, YouTubers, check them out. Take advantage of the Amazon Prime. Get the fast shipping. Save some money. Get a nice little color-changing globe. Red, green. I think that's about it, though. So there you have it, YouTubers. Or you can use it like a nightlight lamp. So for your kids' room, a lot of possibilities. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe, and I hope to see you guys back soon this week with some more. Hopefully, unboxings, if not some TTMs. Retro gaming will be back this week for sure. Took a little break, but here we are with the LifeTech Solimar Amazon. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good day.